And welcome to Alf1. Are you dreaming about making passive income with binary option? I have a robot that can do that for you now. Use the first link you find below the video and you can get started trading binary option robot with a robot that do everything automatically for you. Today I've been running the robot a lot with many different type of settings just to find the best settings. So I will now let it run for a little while. My target will be around $200, but let's see. So I will now show you here now. You will now be able to follow the profit up there. I have reset the statistic now. So for every single trade he's doing now, he will update the number up there, okay? So let it run for a little while and see how much profit we can make. Also, if you want to learn to trade binary option also, you can trade together with me. You find the second link below the video and you can sign up and you can trade together with me and I will teach you how to trade binary option. But now let's start up the robot and I'll update you later how we did.